So today I'm going to take you through the steps on how to buy a stock on the Stash app. So what we're going to do is load up the app right here so you can follow along in real time. And if you don't have Stash already and are interested in downloading them, I will have a link for them in the show notes down below. You can click right away to go ahead and start downloading and investing in the market. So first and foremost, we are here on the main page of Stash, and you can see here I currently have $41 in my account, and I want to go ahead and start spending some of this money into different companies or ETFs, whatever kind of floats my boat. So I'm going to go ahead and show you exactly how to do this. So what we want to do is look towards the very bottom of the screen. We should be on the home page, but what we want to do is go into the invest side of the page. So we're going to go ahead and click on over here. And we're going to see at the very top, there's actually some options of having it in the personal, the retirement, or the custodial. So just make sure you are in the right section of where you want that money to be going into. And for us, what we're going to do is the personal, and we're going to go ahead and click on where it says search companies and ETFs. Now, there is also another option that says automate investments, which you can do if you don't really want to have to manage everything yourself. But what we're going to do is click on that search companies and ETFs. And it's going to give you the option up here at the top to do search all investments, or you can kind of start sliding down here to kind of look into different industries depending on which way you want to go. You can tap over to ETFs, and again, kind of does the same thing. It gives you kind of some brief overviews of different sectors, and then you could do bookmarks, which is kind of things maybe you have saved yourself. Now we're going to go ahead and click on search all investments, and we're actually going to go ahead and buy into Apple over here. So we're going to go ahead and buy Apple. They, of course, a very popular company. So we're going to go ahead and search for them, click on their logo here. All right, so once you've clicked on the Apple logo here, you're going to see the stock all together. So you're going to have it set up here so you can kind of get some information about the company, their last price. You can see their about page. You could even view a couple different things, but what we can do now is see the option at the bottom where it says buy. So if we click on buy here, we can either buy it right now or we can schedule it for later down the road. Maybe it's the weekend and you want to go ahead and set that up. So we're going to go ahead and click on buy. And right over here, it says, how much do you want to invest in this account? We have $41. We can invest all of it. We can invest a little bit, up to you on how much you want to go through. So we're going to go ahead and do $20 here. And then we're going to go ahead and click on buy. Now, it's going through the process of actually purchasing, and you might be thinking, well, hey, Dennis, the stock wasn't actually valued at $20. How did you buy it? Well, Stash lets you do fractional shares, so that way you can put in whatever dollar amount you have to be able to buy into companies, and they give you fractional pieces of those shares, which is always a great thing because that means your money can start working for you without having to buy the full share of the company. Now, if you want to learn how to actually go through the process and sell your stock on Stash, I want you to check out my video right over here. My name is Dennis, and I will see you in that next video.